In this video, we're going to learn the names of the arenas or the stadiums, the places where the WNBA teams play. So let's get right into it. I'm going to click on WNBA home court. I'm going to click single player, then and go. It asks for what team plays in the Barclays Center. We also tell you the location of that, so we kind of give you a big clue. You know that if it's Barclays Center in Brooklyn, New York, it's going to be the New York Liberty. So we'll see if that's correct. If I get a green light, it's correct. Climate Pledge Arena, Seattle, that's the Seattle Storm. College Park, Arlington, Texas, the Dallas Wings. Arlington is actually in between Dallas and Fort Worth. Crypto.com Arena is in Los Angeles. That's the Sparks Footprint Center in Phoenix Mercury. Gainbridge Fieldhouse is in Indiana Fever. Gateway, there's only one left, so it's going to be the Atlanta Dream. That's Gateway Center Arena in Atlanta. We're 15 seconds over. We're going to go faster. Barclays Center, Brooklyn, New York. Climate Center, Seattle. College Park in Dallas. Crypto in Los Angeles. Footprint in Phoenix. Gainbridge in Indiana. And the last one is the Atlanta Dream for Gateway Center. And then we'll go to all 12 questions. Barclays, New York. Climate Pledge, Seattle. College Park, Dallas. Crypto, Los Angeles. Footprint, Phoenix. Gainbridge is at Indiana Fever. Gateway is Atlanta Dream. Michelob is Las Vegas. Mohegan Sun is in Connecticut Sun. St. Elizabeth is the Washington, D.C. Mystics. Well, I didn't beat the clock. I could already see I'm 2 seconds over. Target Center is in Minneapolis for the Minneapolis Lynx, and Wintrust Arena is in Chicago. 10 seconds over. Let's see if we can get through that faster. Barclays, New York. Climate, Seattle. College Park, Dallas. Crypto, Los Angeles. Footprint, Phoenix. Gainbridge, Indiana. Gateway, Atlanta. Indiana, okay. Michelob is in Los Angeles. Mohegan is in Connecticut Sun. St. Elizabeth is Washington, D.C. And that's going to be that. And that's see if I beat the clock. Barely. Okay. Now we are playing in random order. Michelob. I'm looking at the answers, actually. The answers are right up here. But the trick is, even though the answers are here, the trick is to say it out loud. Michelob Ultra Arena is in Las Nevada. That would be the Las Vegas Angels. Say it out loud. Wintrust, Chicago. St. Elizabeth, Mystics. Climate Pledge, Seattle. Target, Minneapolis. Gainbridge, Indiana. Barclays, New York. Mohegan, Connecticut. Footprint is in Phoenix. Gateway is in Atlanta. Crypto is Los Angeles, and the last one is Dallas Wings. And now we go into test mode. And in test mode, you're not racing the clock, but still, just by saying it over and over as you play, you get to where you recognize the team and connect them with the arena. Barclays is New York. Climate Pledge is Seattle. College Park is Dallas. Arlington between Dallas and Fort Worth. Gainbridge is Indiana Fever. Michelob is in Nevada. Elizabeth is in Washington, D.C. Crypto is Los. I get that wrong. Whichever one was in here. Okay, but this one is in Los Angeles. Phoenix is in, Footprint is Phoenix. Target is Minneapolis. Gateway is Atlanta. Mohegan is Connecticut. I've got one more. Wintrust is in Chicago. And we got 100%. It's really that easy to get in and play the games. And it's also fun And it's rewarding that after I play this game, which so far has taken over 5 minutes. After I play this game, I kind of have a little bit more feel for the names of the stadiums where the teams play. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and take care.